Hello guys, I've shown you how to model facial concrete. Let's get to how to get different colors on facial concrete. Let's go here, you highlight this. We have modeled this facial concrete. You copy it, you copy, and you go to option, come here and you say add LCC. So okay, you paste it and you move it, you come here, you paste it. Okay, so it has come here, you know it, you have saved it. So if you want to change the color, you want to have different color, what you do, you just click on it, go to this place. Maybe you want here to be a different color. You click on here, click on it, click on this line and you drag and come here, you place here. Then you come here, you click here, then you have seen the color it is now, right now. Then you go here and you change it. Maybe I want to change it to gray, let me say green, or to blue. Then you say okay. Maybe I want to change here to same blue. I come here and I go here and come here and same blue color and I say okay. So we have done that. What we do, we have changed this color. What we do is just allow it be and we go. You say save. You have saved it. You have saved what you did. Then you will go to wall. We go to wall and we click on your wall. You go to that, I think it's FG. FG, let's see FG. So okay, and we draw it. We draw it. After drawing it, you go to 3D and see what the face look like. So this is it. You can see it. You can see. You can see how you have drawn it. There's a different colors. This is painted different. This is painted different, and this is how you get your different. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood what we did.